Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be doing another awesome unboxing by Punkrave Australia, and this time we have an awesome top and the cutest little satchel bag ever. If you're new here, hello, welcome. My name is Andrea and I do hope you stick around and check out some other videos. So this little parcel arrived many weeks ago, but due to the outbreak I was not able to film the full-on outfit shots that I usually do outside, but at least I decided to sit down and do the unboxing, and probably will insert those shots when this is all over, so yeah. And in the gorgeous bag we have a gorgeous shawl shirt and an exquisite Victorian-inspired bag that I will show you in a bit on Punkrave Australia's website. So here is the wonderful shirt I was telling you about. And because you guys are always asking me regarding the size, I got the shirt in a size S. I know I'm a size small because I always go over here under the picture and click all the way to the back to see the universal size chart. This can be found for all items in the same location. There are also some garment-specific measurements available in case you are wondering how long the sleeves are, for example. So yeah, you can find those here as well. And here is the wonderful bag. Isn't it so cute? I love satchel type bags, and I'm so happy this one will be part of my collection. So let's just open up this little parcel and see what we have in here. I already went ahead and opened up the top part. This is the bag it came in, and as you see inside, everything is bubble wrap. We'll take that out, and oh no, this will take a while, so be right back. I am Sisyphus. This is my rock. There we go. Okay. So we have two bags in here, and of course this is the shirt, and the little one is the bag. I'm gonna start with the little one because, you know, bags. Let's see. Oh my god. There we go. Oh my god, this is so freaking cute! What? Look at it! This is so cute! I'm just gonna take out the tag so we can close it up properly and see what it looks like. There we go. Isn't that the cutest thing ever? It also has this little tassel here. And this is gonna be hard to show you, but I will show you in the close-ups. You have little metal tiny skulls here, and it's so freaking cute. I love it to death. It's the cutest thing ever. I cannot wait to carry this around. The bag is made out of black lace mesh and satin. The bottom has this little cute tassel, and the ends of the drawstring are decorated with little metal skulls. It's really one of the most adorable things I have ever seen. I cannot wait to carry this little thingy around because it's so freaking cute. It goes with my outfit. I'm gonna show you the inside a bit. Oh, has some paper on the inside. There we go. I'm gonna do like that so you can see. It has a different sort of lining on the inside, and the top over here is satiny. It's really cute. I love it to bits. I cannot wait to wear it. Let's move on to the shirt. Ooh. Okay. Oh wow! Oh my god, I need to show you guys. Look at that! So this is the collar, and it has one of those high collars as you saw on the website, and It also has these kind of claspy thingies, and you can close it up right here. I'm gonna close it up for a bit so you can see the wonderful color. Oh my god, it's so pretty. And of course, the wonderful lace sleeves. I love it so much. The shirt is made out of this beautiful jacquard fabric with wonderful lace sleeves. The high collar is absolutely breathtaking. I love the ruffle trim and the lace and tassel decoration. The bodice features a deep cut that is decorated with vine details that continue on the shoulders, and the back of the shirt has this corset type drawstring that will help you get a better fit. There we have it. You can adjust this accordingly. But oh my god, this is one of the most beautiful shirts I have ever seen. I don't know if you see the vine detail here, and of course the little accent on the shoulders, which is so beautiful. I cannot wait to wear it. Of course, I'm gonna style this outfit with the wonderful big ruffle skirt that I also have from Punkrave, and I did an unboxing on that one too, and I will link the video up here in case you want to see it. So yeah, let's move on to me wearing the whole outfit so you guys can see what it looks like. Okay guys, so that was it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. A big thank you goes out to Punkrave Australia, as always, for sending me these gorgeous pieces. Of course, as always, I am taken aback by the wonderful design and the overall quality of everything. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and see you all in my next video. Bye. And this time we have an awesome top. And this time we have an awesome top. And this time we have an awesome top, but here we are today. Of course, as always,